Alright, look what just came in from eBay. This is a 1U chassis. That looks like a retention clip for something. Anyway, this is a super micro 1U chassis. I just took it out of the box. Doesn't have any screws to hold the lid down, which is why it's starting to fall apart. But that's fine. It's not going to be moving around too much once it goes into my rack. So I bought this first because I want to make sure that whatever motherboard I put in this will actually fit in here. And it looks like the motherboard I had earmarked for this won't fit unless I do some major renovations to this chassis. So I have actually a couple of motherboards I was thinking about using. Looks like a blower stuff. Oh yeah, so this is a Delta fan. Not going to be a quiet chassis, at least if I have this plugged in. But standard ATX. This is an ATX power supply. Super micro. Anyway, made an offer to the seller. I got it for around 70 bucks. Oh, so actually, I think this, yeah, my phone's all over the place. Yeah, I think this fits in here. It's a retaining clip for that. So, although I don't have a screw, yeah, I don't have a screw for it. Oh, there's screws right here. So maybe one of these. If not, I'll find one. But might be able to get it to work. So this is actually supposed to have, well, like, there's different models of this. So you could put several drives in here. The board I want to put in here, if I am to get it to fit, I am thinking I'm going to have to remove this for sure. And then I'll just figure out how to get some sort of boot drive in here. So I'm going to be running pfSense. Just taking a quick measurement here. 9.5, and then if I remove the drive tray, assuming I can get the standoffs to fit, my eyes are old, 14 inches. Ish, 14 inches. We'll say 13 3/4. Looks like, yeah, mounting holes. I don't see any standoffs. Maybe there's some in here. Oh, looks like there's two standoffs. Okay, so clearly there's some stuff missing. Anyway, but yeah, I mean, so a similar tray like this, similar case like this, comes with an ID cable. Not ID, fuck, not ID. What am I? This isn't 1991. This is a SATA cable. Anyway, but I have plenty of those, so I'm not worried about that either. Main thing is front-facing I/O, 1U, and it includes a power supply. Now, a similar chassis I've seen without a power supply, probably run me about 130 brand new. And I don't even think it comes with the Delta fan, which I may or may not use depending on how loud I want this thing. Anyway, yeah, so there will be more to come. And again, I'll be building a new pfSense router. Definitely going to be mini ITX unless I manage to get the motherboard in question installed. Yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys later.